Hello guys, my name is Richard. Today I'm gonna show you guys today I'm gonna show you how to start a first-person shooter. Um, yeah, I'm the lead programmer in a team called Remix Games. Uh, what what um, what we are creating in Remix Games right now is a shooter called Line of Fire. Um, well, yeah, let's start. First, we gonna make a folder for the scripts. I like to organize everything. Let's create a menu man menu manager. Um, uh, yeah, I code everything in C sharp. So if you are a JavaScript coder, uh, yeah, just look at the logic of the scripts and just copy and learn. Um, yeah, first we can make a variable called current menu. And we need on GUI method for the GUIs. I do everything in parts. So like I do private, oops, private void menu. Yeah, main for now. And let's copy this. And we do menu lobby. Since you guys want to make a multiplayer FPS, I'm I'm gonna try and show you guys that part too for joining and hosting. Um okay, let's start with if count menu is main. I'll show this one. Copy and then lobby this one. Add a void start. That's gonna say that current menu is main. In main we are gonna do GUI dot, or for the guys who want to use GUI layout, which is much faster, but not yeah, never mind. For now we do GUI. Let's make the host button first. It's new rect. Let me see. 0, no, 10, 10, 250. Host game. So we're gonna make 60. No, 10. And save. Back to the menu. Scene. Okay, what we're gonna do is drag the menu manager to there, and we're gonna play. And you see there's a host game button now. It does nothing right now. We need to extra void for the host menu. Let me see. Then we do that and if move that. Then I always do this one. Void, no, public void. Navigate to. And we're gonna add a parameter called string next menu. I always do this because you can, because you can add animations. But for now we won't do animations. It takes too too long to do. Okay, for this one we do navigate to. We do host, and here we're gonna add a back button. Back, and we do main. Let's save and try it out. And we press host back, and then you can also see here the value changing. Host main, host main. In the host game, we're gonna we already have the back button, so we have to need the start server button. This one comes later. The height 60. This one. What we are gonna do now is add parameters for the match. We're gonna need our GUI.text field new wect. Let's do 220. Then 230. And we need a value here called public string. You can do private if you want to. Match name. And we do here match name. And in front too. This one are we gonna let's add a GUI.label so you know what it is. A new web 220, 10, 230. Match name. And we change this one to 150. No, 30. And we change this one to 400. Then when we go in game, then when we press host game, you see the match name. And then we copy this. Oops. We copy this. Stop the mouse. We copy this. We do match no password for now. We're not really gonna use it. Then we do public string match name match password. Let's do this one. Welcome. No, let's don't do that. Then we do just no, we can do that later. Match password. Match password. This one here, this one there, and text field change to dot password field. Then we need the extra parameter. A star. That's done. Now the height. This one is 30. That one's 30. Then we need 50. Okay, that's fine. Then we're gonna do a max player variable. Public int match max players is 32. How are we gonna do this? Well, first match max players at the height of plus 40 is 90. Here 90. Yeah. Let me see. Match max players dot to string. Oops. Text field. This one gone. And then let's try local variable called max user. It works. Okay, and we do and a parse. Yes, a parse. Dot parse. In that parse, max user. A parse is just a method that converts a string to a number. We're also gonna limit it. Math dot clamp. Then we do this one. Minimum is 8, maximum is 32. I hope it works. Okay, play. Host game, and we see here this one. I also have problems with this one. 5, no. Let's add buttons. Then we do let me see. Then we just do this one. This one here. This one gone. And yeah, go. Add buttons. +2. Then -2. Then we're gonna do a plus here, a minus here. Let me see the coordinates. 400, then we do 425, 450. Is 90 is 25. No, yes, 25, and we do this one 30. Save, go, and you see buttons, and it works. Okay, then we do for the multiplayer part. Well, the menu manager is only for the menu, only offline things, no multiplayer. For multiplayer, we're gonna add an extra script called multiplayer. No, multiplayer is manager. Multiplayer manager is gonna yeah, manage all the multiplayer things. They do a public static multiplayer manager called instance avoid start, which assign this instance to this object is this. For the guys who don't know what static means that we can go here and we just do at the start server, we just can do this one. Instance that, well, let me first add the public void start server. We're gonna do this one, start server. Very easy. If we didn't have this, then we will have to find it or manual assign it. But for me, this one is the easiest. Well, this one works now, and we can do start server now. Let's add the parameters. We do a string for the server name, another string for the server password, and an int for the max users. Well, here we're gonna add some private stuff. So private string let's call it go. No, let's just do server. No, match name is better. Match name is nothing. copy, paste 2 times, match password and match max users. This one is int, oops, 32, no, 32. We do this one, match name is server name, match password is server password. We're not gonna use the password right now. Match max users is max users. Gonna initialize the network. I hate it when that happens. Network dot initialize server with match max users, and I always do 2550. You can just do whatever you want. For the Usenet, we're gonna do that later. For now, we are just gonna. Oh wait, let's do false for now. And for the guys who wants this, we can also do the security, just for extra security, so it's harder to hack the connection. Start server. Then we do. We're gonna add another class here. Public class MP player. I always call it MP player. MP player is for all the players. So then we're gonna do a public string player name, a public player net network player, that was it, network player player network well, if I miss something, I will see it later. Let me see. Then we do oh wait, first we're gonna add here the using system dot collections dot generic, so we can use lists. Public list do MP player, public list player list is new. Then every time a player joins, we're gonna instantiate a new MP player, add it to this list, and every time somebody leaves, remove it from this list. The reason why there's a network player here is so that we can find the player in this list. We're not gonna find by player name, we're just gonna find by network player, because network player is always unique. Then I have to go to the scripting reference for a second for some stuff. Let me see. On player on server initialized. And let me see. On connected to server. Then we're gonna add an RPC. RPC, you need to add that tag at every method that you wanna call from the network. Void server player join request, and on server we're just gonna call this local. On connect to server we're gonna do a network view dot RPC, add a string, RPC mode dot server, and that was it. And then we're gonna copy this one, add it there. Then this is server side code right now. We're gonna add the extra RPC. So with the client add player to list. Here we need a string with the player name and a network player with let's call it view. Then player. Now we do a MP player, temp player is new MP player. Then we do temp player dot player name is player name, local one. And we do a temp player dot player network. Oops. Player network is view. We're gonna add this to the playlist. Playlist dot add, and then a temp player, and then we are done. Later we're gonna do that. No, let's do it right now. RPC void client remove player. Let me see. We're gonna need this one. Oops, this one. Then we do for each. For the ones that don't know what a for each is, a for each is a something. I don't really know. It's a something that goes to all the items in the player list, and yeah. We call pl. Whoa. Pl. Comma. No. It was mplay pl in player list. Okay. Then we do a if pl dot play network is view. And since we can destroy or remove this pl while you are going to the for each, you need to assign this local variable. Let's do it null. Temp is pl, and then we do a if temp. Oops, temp isn't null. Player list dot remove temp. Not again. Temp. This for if somebody leaves, we still have to call it if play disconnected. So here for it if play disconnected. On play disconnected is only called on the server. So we can do this. Dot RPC. Oops, it's already there. All. Then we copy this one there and comma. Network player ID, and we do ID. So we have this one. Oops, I still have to call this one. Let me see. Here, all, and oh yeah, we still have to play name. The player name and the view. And we do, for now, we do this one and network dot player. And we have to do the same there. What we are gonna do now is add to the menu manager. So that's what we need. Match name dot match password dot max users. Still not. Oh, match users. There we go. What are we doing? Oh yeah, add to the main menu that we can change our name, player name, player manager instance. Yeah, and then we can add a public string player name. Player name is only for yourself, not for the multiplayer. We're gonna just copy this one. I think that's right. Do it called player name. Let me see. Multiplayer manager dot instance dot player. Yeah. Player name. Copy this. Paste it there. What now? Save. Let's see if it works. Okay, player name. Oh yes. That was what I forgot. We're gonna add a new object called multiplayer manager. This is 000. It's not needed, just like it. Add the multiplayer manager here. Let me see if this is done. Then it should work. And it works. Let's call myself Boomsman95. Last game. Let's name. Hey, welcome. 32. Start server. You may not be connected when security layer. Huh. Oh. Multiplayer manager. Okay. Let's add network view. Right. Well. Let's try again. Last game. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. Match name is hey welcome plus random dot range number between 0 and 5000. Yeah, that works. For the name we can do that the player name is player press dot get string player name. Then we're gonna add a little button that says save name. 20. It's 1 long. It's 350, then 360. Called save name. I'm not gonna make it as big as the other buttons. Do 30, and this one 100. And we're just gonna do player perhaps dot set string player name. Yeah, player name, comma multiplayer manager dot instance dot player name. Save. Go. And we have an error. Where? Okay. Okay, then play. No. Oh. Oops. Let's move it back a little. Well, that's 350 for that one and 250. 150. Next 500. 510. Save. Go. Oh. So. 5. Save name. Restart. And you see my name is saved. Hey, welcome 1800 That one works too. Then we press start server and we get an error. Okay, let's ignore that one. Don't know why that comes. Press start server. Okay, and what now? Start server. That one. Oh yeah. Forgot master server dot register host game type. Let's call it 0. String game name. Match name. Comment 0. Bam. And let me see. Why give test that won't give an error? I don't know. Let's move on. Host game. Start server. And another error. Empty game. Oh. Blah, blah, blah. Let's just call it get match. Now happy master server. Start the server. No error. Nobody connected. And we just do on server. We're gonna need this boat. So mouse boat. And do it on the bottom. No. Okay. There we add navigate to lobby. Same here. For the lobby, we're gonna use GUI layout. GUI layout dot begin scroll view. I'm gonna do add a new variable. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Add new private vector 2 scroll lobby. Call what you want. Vector 2 dot 0. We have to do it in front and in the middle, and then yeah, that was it. Add another GUI layout dot end scroll view. You need to put the end, but otherwise it will glitch, and not in a happy way. We're gonna do that every player. No, wait. We're first gonna add a parameter here that is called GUI layout dot max with 200. Otherwise, it will take over the whole screen if you have long names. And we do for each again with mp player in multiplayer manager dot instance dot player list. Every player has a name, player name. Nope. GUI layout that box. You can do label if you want. I do box. It's easier. We do yeah, player name, and done. Now I forgot something. It was important. Oh yeah, the name. Player name. Player name. Save. Go. Now. Okay, name is there. Start server. And you see my name. Now we do. Well, I'm first gonna do the server list. I don't know how long I was recording. Oh, half hour. Okay, 5 more minutes then. Let's do the server list quickly. Menu manager, menu lobby. We do the just in the main menu. We're gonna add a GUI dot begin. Okay, a GUI layout dot begin area in new web. We're gonna add it to the right side of the screen, just with minus 250 dot 0 dot 250 dot screen dot height. Then we also have to call GUI dot end area, and for every match in the middle node. Let me see, how did you do that again? There was a master server dot request for host list. Game type, yes. We need the actual button with refresh. We do a master server dot request host list. What was the game type again? Deathmatch. Deathmatch. Then every time you press refresh, you get a new list, and now I have to find out which one was for the list. All host list. That was it. Okay. It returns what? Host data. For each host data match in this one, we're gonna add a GUI layout dot box. No. GUI layout dot begin horizontal. Let's add the box. GUI layout dot end horizontal. I'm getting an error here. What's that thing? Wait, what's wrong here? Oh yeah. Let's add a GUI layout dot label with the name match dot name, game name, and a button, GUI layout dot button for connect. The button needs a purpose. Save. Add a box here too. Server. Just come on. Box. Save. Oh, you see a server list there. Oh, still need to change that one. 60, 70. Stop playing, go play, refresh. And then every time somebody hosts, well, let's make it bigger. Minus 400 and this one 400. Then we need this one. Network dot connect match. And that was it. Then we are gonna build at counter at scene build. Just add a new folder here with builds. I'll call it game. Save. Then wait a second. And done. We start this one in Windows, yes. Then we go here, play, host game, start server, refresh. You see the server name, connect. Okay. Host game. Stop the game there. Start the game again. Host game, start server, refresh, connect. No error, connect. Am I connected? No. Connect. It's weird. It's the host, what's name? No comment. It's all false. 2550. Mini lobby. Host game. server works. It's over here. Look at that connect match. It should work. Okay, let me go to my line of fire. Oh wait, no, line of fire 2. Tut, tut, tut. Multiplayer manager. Don't look at the messy code, please. Connect to this. Hmm. Okay, should work. Hmm. Okay, weird. It's match, it's full host. It should work. I don't know why. Let's add audio layer space 20. Okay, connect. I really don't know why this is happening. It's maybe because it's on the same system. It should work, but I don't know why, and I already know why. Go to player, this one, no, this one, run in background. Then build the game again. Like that. Press play. Host game, start server, here, refresh, connect, and it works. Now here you see two names, here you see one name. In the next video I will show you guys how to fix that, and I will show you how to load the match, and maybe I will start showing you guys how to make the player. Well, till the next time, see you guys.